Hi, welcome to my channel Rubia Stedman. In this small video I want to share with you all my finished project that I have for Christmas, for my Christmas gift. I hope nobody in my family see this video, otherwise they will see what they're gonna get from me. So I will start. So the last 2 weeks I made a hat and a cowl, that from the other side I did almost all my hats and some of the cowls, because I did other ones different design that I want to record after Christmas. Sorry that I started so late recording this, that don't gonna be in time for you, but next year is always next year and you guys can start earlier, okay, for you, or for a birthday present, a winter birthday present. So the first hat that I made was a gray hat and black, that I did it for myself, and then that one is downstairs. I don't made my cowl yet because it's for me. I have time for that, but I was in a time crunch to do all the Christmas knitting. So the first set that I did, that you already saw this in my tutorials, was this one. This is for one of my daughters. Look how gorgeous. They are the same type of yarn, different color combination, all of them. Only 2 hats are exactly the same color, because these one are the same design but none of them are the same color. So like this one. The second set that I made was this one. They're gorgeous, all of them. That's for another of my daughters. And this one is for my other daughter. It's my husband's daughter. I made this set. This is the set that you saw me making in the videos. I work with the lighter color, that way it was easy for you guys to see. But this is gorgeous. Again, charisma. And then I did this for my mother-in-law. She liked pinks, and I did this one without pom-pom because I don't think she liked pom-poms. So it's this one. This one I don't have the tutorial yet, but I will be making the tutorial of this one. It's gorgeous and very easy to do. All of these are very easy to do. This is for the wife of one of my nephews, and this I have to do as well, a tutorial. And this one is more like a honeycomb in the design, but is gorgeous. See? And another set, the last set, because like I mentioned, only the girls get in the set. This one is for my husband's sister. I did a smaller pom-pom for her than the other ones. If the other one wants a smaller pom-pom, what they have to do is just trim their pom-poms. And this one, I don't make this one yet, but I will make this one as well. Okay. So this one is for the boyfriend of one of my daughters. So hers is the reverse, black with the red accent, and his is red with the black accent. Okay. This one is for my brother-in-law. It looked like the other one, but the red is different. Okay. The other one is a charisma heather. Red charisma heather. This one is just plain charisma, the red, and this one is a charisma heather. The one that are multi-tonal are charisma heather, and the one that they are just a plain one color is charisma, plain charisma. So these are the two. They're exactly the same for my husband and his mother. I have other hats that I made with real wool that I will be giving them to the people that walk their dogs and stuff like that. And I have this for my 2 nephews. This one will be given to one that have green eyes, and this one to the one that have blue eyes. So these ones that I have here, they are done with leftover charisma. The tutorial of these hats is now coming up on Wednesday. It will be this one. This is with the leftover from all those hats. And this one I still have to put the tag. Again, the leftover. This was the leftover from the gray in here. The leftover from this green, you see? And some leftover black. So they look totally different. They are different hats, but the color, they look different because it's done different. So how beautiful that look. So these three are done exactly the same. And I'm making another one. I have to make one more. And I'm just making this in a girl's color. You see, it's as gorgeous as well. And I had to make one more. So that's what I've done so far. So I'm very busy because I record your videos, I take care of William, I have to do the stuff in the house, and at night time, after I do all that, when I'm watching some TV or when William's playing and sitting with him there, I'm sitting on the couch knitting, is when I do all this work. So I started like 2 weeks ago making all these presents, so I'm being very busy and making not this week, the week after, the other hats. This one is one of the ones that already did the video. I had to edit, and I will be making the version number 2. This is my country hat. That's the name, the color of your country's flag, or the colors of your team, or you choose the color, and they are really easy and they look really nice. So you can make this one for a friend, a neighbor, you know, a cousin, these types. But this one will be, I think, the 19th. This one will come out the 19th. No, this one the 19th, this will be the 26th, so that will be after Christmas. This one for the games, the hockey games. So, well, I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make any of my projects, if you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Esteban Crochet, on my Instagram, Ruby Esteban Crochet, and the 2 links are in the description box below. And I'm gonna leave other links for some of the knitting needles that I use to do these projects, and the pom-pom maker, and other stuff. So I hope you guys like it, and see you Wednesday with the video of these hats. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.